Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fathin Zulaikha Binti and today I will be explaining Module 1, Introduction to Arcgis. The objective of this module is to be able to understand fundamentals GIS using Arcgis. Second, to be able to familiarize component in Arcgis. And finally, to be able to recognize geospatial data.
For Module 1, after opening your ArcMap, right-click on the folder connection and choose the folder that you want to connect with. After that, click OK. After that, right-click on the new folder, click on New File Geodatabase. After that, rename the new file geodatabase as File Geodatabase _ Fathin Zulaikha. After that, right-click on the new file geodatabase, click New and click Insert New Feature Dataset. Key in the name as Area and choose WGS 1984. Click Next and click Finish. Then right-click at the area and choose Import New Feature Class Multiple. Click on the yellow file and choose the file that you want from your folder. Choose Road Klang Valley, click Add, then click at the yellow file again and choose Klang Valley SHP and click Add. After that, click OK. Now we wait for the process. Look at the bottom, the geodatabase is being inserted. Now, the two files that we imported appear on the maps. After that, choose the color that you want. Right-click on the Road Klang Valley and open the attribute table. At the attribute table, we can see many features of the Road Klang Valley has been listed. All the names jalan have been listed and many features of it too. Right now, go to Table of Content, right-click at the Road Klang Valley and choose Properties. After that, click on Symbology and choose Categories. After that, change the value field to Name. Click Add All Values and click OK. And wait for all the names of jalan to be added to our maps. After that, click OK. Now we wait for the process. And as we can see here, the different color represent the names of the jalans and the symbol of the jalans at Road Klang Valley. If we zoom in, we can see the color that represent the jalans at Road Klang Valley. After that, zoom to layer. This is our final look for Module 1. So we can save our module. Save the file name as Fathin Zulaikha _ Module 1. That's all from me for Module 1. Thank you.
The first practical highlight questions is to define the differences of three components of Arcgis desktop in terms, interface and function. As we know, the three components of Arcgis is ArcMap, ArcToolbox and ArcCatalog. In terms of interface, interface is made up of a graphical user interface, GUI, which is for the user to use it, while for the function, ArcMap is to display and query of geographic information. ArcCatalog is for management for geospatial data, and finally ArcToolbox is for the spatial analysis.
For Module 1, after opening your ArcMap, right-click on the folder connection and choose the folder that you want to connect with. After that, click OK. After that, right-click on the new folder, click on New File Geodatabase. After that, rename the new file geodatabase as File Geodatabase underscore Fathin or Zulaikha. After that, right-click on the new file geodatabase, click New and click Insert New Feature Dataset. Key in the name as Area and choose WGS 1984. Click Next and click Finish. Then right-click at the area and choose Import New Feature Class Multiple. Click on the yellow file and choose the file that you want from your folder. Choose.
Third question of practical highlight is to identify layer into different type of vector data. A vector data is a data used to represent real-world features in a GIS. For example, at the Road Klang Valley, the vector feature that can be chosen is in a type of line which represent the road on the maps. Practical highlight question number 4. Identify the individual features. To identify the individual features of the Road Klang Valley, right-click on the Road Klang Valley layer and open the attribute table. Through the attribute table, we can see many information about the Road Klang Valley. Question number 5. Ask us to choose any features from the attribute table and describe about the information. The FID is an identifier reserved for the geometric features, which explain the geometric features have polyline, polygon or point shape files. And for the Road Klang Valley, the geometric features is polyline for all jalan.